Centric Sprint B main. Good start to this one. Everybody is started. Trevor Boak's going to lead the first couple laps here. Mikey Dibb to the inside. Trevor across the berm there. So Mikey goes to the point.
He's on a pinch plate too. Hard to get past that bar plate. I don't think we had a hurt. I've been running plus minus all day. Seems to be working good. We're out.
Looking good, guys. 115 in. Mikey Dibb out front. Whoa, man. I just saw that at the last second. Quick reaction there. Mike Dibb, your leader, Trevor Boak's in that 2 spot. Chris Rapinski, Joe Lewis, and Joe Klosky. Klosky having one of those nights with the sprint car. Just an ill-handling car. There's Mikey out front. Trevor, not let him get too far in front of him, though. About a half a straightaway, maybe 3/4 of the straightaway back is Trevor. Chris Rapinski still on the lead lap there, about a half a lap back of Boak's for that transfer spot. So it is Mikey in that Dynotech number 2. Out front through 3 and 4 he goes, down to front straight through 1 and 2. Going to cross the line this time by 5.9. Fast lap of the race for Mikey is a 5.5. 5.7 for Boak's.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so. Oh, you're right, with no timing, no RPM. I don't want to go that high because I didn't know.
Oh, watch on the back straight. Oh, man, Boak's high up off the wall there. Crunching and cracking, but still rolling. So Trevor holding on to that 2 spot right now. Rapinski still about a half a lap back of him for the transfer spot. We got a minute 15 to go, 1:15 to go. Mikey Dibb out front. Got a lap on the field right now. Gonna be smart here. Gonna put that car in the show. Trevor in that 2 spot. He's got to be smart too. He's got, like I said, about a half a lap right now on Rapinski for the transfer spot. Joe's sprint car has been ill-handling all night long. He's making a valiant effort at it, nonetheless. We got 30 seconds to go here, 30 seconds to go. Race number 8 is up next. I believe that's late model Outlaw B main. Looks like those guys are getting ready to go here. So about to get noisy again here. Easy guys, don't fire yet. Got 10 seconds to go here. So Mikey and Trevor are looking to go to the A main here with 5 seconds to go. This is the final lap. Yeah, time has expired. Drivers, finish the lap you're on. And all stop. Everybody is finished. Mikey Dibb and Trevor Boak's going to the A main. Chris gonna finish in that 3rd spot. Joe Lewis and Joe Klosky.